Hello everyone, today's date is 16 April 2022. This is an original video. Before starting the video, let me introduce myself. I am Adiksha, I am a fresher. Today's topic name is difference between Java and JavaScript. Many users think that a Java and JavaScript are similar language or they two different name of same language, but the user to clear his doubt and JavaScript and Java language are not similar language, and JavaScript has nothing to do with the Java programming language. And the main reason of introducing to scripting language as the JavaScript is a popularity of Java programming language that was in that time. To get the advantages of the popularity of a term in the Java programming language, the difference between Java and JavaScript. First one is a Java. Java, it is a programming language. It is a JavaScript means it is a scripting a language, and Java is a pure object-oriented programming language, and JavaScript is an object-based language, and Java is a standard language, and JavaScript is not a standalone language. And it is a needs to integrated into a HTML program for the, and then Java is a strongly type of a language, which means that the user has to decide the data type of variable before declaring and using it. For example, is int a. The variable a can store the value of integer type only. And then JavaScript it is the loosely type of language, which means that the user does not have to worry about the data type of the variable before and after the declaration. For example, where the a is a variable and can store the value of any data type. And then Java program should be compiled before the execution, and JavaScript needs to be integrated into a HTML program for the execution. And then the web browser is not required to run a Java program, and JavaScript, the web browser is essential to the run the JavaScript and program. And then Java, it is one of the complex language to the learn, and JavaScript means it is a one of the easy language to the learn, and Java by utilizing the multi-threading, user can perform complicated tasks, and JavaScript user is not able to perform complementary tasks. And then Java, it is required a large amount of memory, and JavaScript does not require that amount of memory. And Java programming language was developed by the James Gosling, and JavaScript programming language was developed by the Netscape. And in Java programming language, programs are saved with the Java extension, and JavaScript on the other hand, program in a JavaScript are saved with the JS extension. And then Java is stored on the has machine, has the bytecode, and JavaScript is stored on the host machine and client machine as the source.txt, and it requires a large amount of memory. It does not require that amount of memory. And Java programming language can be perform the complemented task, and JavaScript it can perform the complemented task. Thank you.